Stepping into our power, it's one of the most important topic that I consider, for example, like a topic in my life because I had to step into my power many times and I had quite difficult situations to overcome, and because I was successful on it without really going to the lower point where um, other people will probably feel like drawn or really pulled down, and I was able to transform and go out of it and find that power in me. um, I really decided to talk about this topic, and I think it's so important today because as we are living quite turbulent times, on the global and individual scale, we can really see it everywhere. I think people should know how to step into their power. First of all, I would like to say things are not as they look like. Sometimes we are just so much about what's going on all around us, and these things are projecting to us. So we kind of drawn into it, like if we were drawn into that movie, and once we are in that movie, we start playing a part, playing a role of that movie, and actually it's not that, or it's not us. So what we have to do, we have to understand that we have to separate ourselves from that movie, go out and create absolutely different vision of what's going on, not to let ourselves be pulled in there. That's so much also connected with the programming, because there will be constant programming going on from outside world, from our friends, from our family, or the people that we meet, in the situations that we see all around us. So that will be like constant projecting some of the matrix reality onto us, that is kind of trying to convince us that this is the reality, and that reality many times doesn't look very good. Many times that reality is forcing us play something that we wouldn't be playing, or let's say we will be taking that role on us to play, and that's actually not the correct role, or it's not really what we're supposed to be doing. We're just kind of being put into that story, put into that movie, put into that matrix reality. So I would like just to say things are not like they look like many times. You might be having a really difficult situation that it looking like no way out, no escape, like everything like falling down and there's like no door open, nowhere to go, like no solution at all. You have to think things are not like they look like. First of all, there are many options, we just don't see further there. Because we don't see further there doesn't mean doesn't exist. Don't let that other people or situations being projected onto us pull you in, or suck you into that movie. And first of all, it's cutting us off that reality, finding a really peaceful place where we can go the best in the nature. Reconnect with the nature, with Gaia, communicate with Gaia. Reconnect with universe, communicate with universe. Express all your thoughts and everything what you have got on your mind to the universe, to Gaia, to your guides, angels, archangels, all your guides, and feel that support. You can talk to wind, you can talk to sea, you can talk to ground, to plants, trees. You really can talk to all elements of Gaia. You can ask, and not only can, but I think in this case, when you really feel in difficult situation, really ask for help. If you don't ask for help, you've been considered like, okay, you can do it on your own because you're not asking for help. Don't hesitate to ask for help when you feel like it's too much or you don't know which way to go. You're never alone. There are many, many guides all around you, angels around you. Human collective is just one being. We're invisibly connected. So ask the universe, Gaia, human collective to help you and express what you really need. When you do that, then believe it's already happening and it's already on the way. Trust your emotions. When your emotions are telling you something is going wrong and shouldn't be going that way and doesn't really feel good, don't try to suppress it. No, it's going to be fine. Trust your emotions and start making steps to go out of the situations. Any kind of steps. Even though just opening internet and looking for some places where to go, or even just talking to your friends about what's going on, whatever steps you consider, any steps is considering as a step forward. Don't isolate yourself, because isolation just cause more blockage on the way you are, and that's from that place that you want to move forward. So talk to friends, meet with friends, socialize, be surrounded by people, and the people that you really trust. Open yourself and talk about your situation. All the things all together, realizing there are solutions all around us and on the way. We just don't see. We are all connected, so you're never alone. We are so much supported by higher dimensions and by the high frequency beings all around us, by our guides. So we might be just getting the miracles, even though we think we are in a desperate, difficult situation. Reconnecting with all that is basically getting you out of that point. And of course, trust. Trust things are going to get better. In no way go to low frequency points like alcohol, drugs, or depressive kind of thoughts of harm yourself or whatever. No, don't do that. Really just cut yourself off that reality you're living. Put yourself physically in a different place. The best is the nature, somewhere in the nature. And in that place, express your thoughts, ask for help, make that network of people around you that might help you, and things are going to be shifted.